God. Let it be deep, as show as high as heaven. But Ahaz said, I will not ask, and I will not put the Lord to the test. Then Isaiah said, Hear them, O house of David. Is it too little for you to weary mortals? Can you weary my God also? Therefore, the Lord himself will give you a sign. Look, the young woman is with a child, and shall bear a son, and shall name him Emmanuel. He shall eat herbs and honey by the time he knows how to refuse the evil and choose the good. For before the child